definitely easier to eat healthy at home because here at school in the dining hall, there's such a variety of food, but there's the same junk every day, and it's hard to just avoid. When at home, I don't really snack, and whatever I buy is what I eat, and I buy healthier things. Looking back at freshman year, I regret not going to the gym every day for a semester or even a couple times a week, and I learned my lesson that seconds and thirds are not necessary. Just because it's all available doesn't mean you should eat all of it. While UNH has tried to help students eat healthier with the Wildcat Plate and the Guiding Stars, I don't think anyone really uses it, and personally I avoid the Wildcat Plates. And
dessert, ice cream.
And how often do you exercise?
5 or 6 times a week.
For how long?
Like an hour and a half.
And do you ever use the guided stars when you're in the dining halls?
No. Because they're not really noticeable and they're not very accurate either.
That's very true. Do you think about how many calories you're consuming in the foods that you eat here or in general?
Sometimes.
Do calories matter to you?
Yes.
Do you consider UNH to be a health-conscious campus?
No.
How come?
Because they don't really have many health options, like besides the salad bar. That's about it. They have a lot of fried food, and they don't have like any actual fresh fruit. They have like apples and bananas, but not like other fresh fruit.
And do you ever use the Wildcat Plate?
No,
No. How come?
because that's also inaccurate.
How can UNH be more proactive in promoting healthier eating to prevent weight gain in students?
They can put like the actual like calorie content and like fat and stuff. Cause I feel like if that was up, like a lot of people wouldn't be eating the stuff that they're eating if they actually knew, and like they should show like the actual portions of like what you should eat.
Have your eating habits changed since you've been at college?
Yes,
In a good or a bad way?
a bad way.
And how does your diet differ from home to school?
Well, at home, I have a lot more like fruit and vegetable options and less like fried food and all that stuff. I don't really have a lot of that at home as opposed to here. Like, it's kind of a free-for-all. You can get whatever you want, and like there isn't that many healthy options.
Okay, thank you for your time, Lindsay.
Of course.